How to download all songs on Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can download all songs on Amazon Music. Now, unfortunately, Amazon Music does not offer a feature that allows you to download all songs in your library or from a playlist album with a single click. Now, you typically need to select and download songs individually or select them in smaller batches. So here's how you can download the song. So first of all, you need to open up your application. So log into your Amazon Music, or you can just simply log into your Amazon account. After that, you need to go to your profile page, and this is going to direct you to the interface right over here. On this page, scroll down and head over to your account and click on membership and subscription. This is going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to see a membership and subscription. So click on Amazon Music and you'll be logged into your Amazon Music account. Now use the search bar to browse through the app to find a song or the album you want to download. When you find a song or an album you want to download, tap on the three dot icon next to it, select the download button for the individual song or download album for an entire album. After that, to access your downloaded music, go to My Library or go to My Music or Library section of the app. Look for the downloaded or offline music section. Your downloaded song will be listed there. Now you can listen to your downloaded song even when you're offline without using a mobile data. So downloading all songs in a larger library or playlist can be time consuming. If you do it individually, Amazon Music does not provide a one-click option for downloading an entire library. So that is an alternative to download all music or all songs on Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.